Hi, welcome to our final. And so I'm making a screencast just to give you some direction. This is going to be a fairly easy final. So as we have up here, the Module 16 quiz basically is your final exam. It goes through the end of our final time. I have a Dropbox for the final paper, which you'll need to submit. And then there's a final discussion, which so far there's been a couple posts on. So I didn't put the directions out yet for this, so I'm glad there's been a couple of posts on it. So the first is you're going to post a copy of your final paper, and the second discussion is it's basically a capstone for the class. And so you're going to post 2 to 3 paragraph answer following one of the following prompts. One is with regards to social problems. I want you to answer, I used to think, but now I know. And so something you learn this semester in this class. And if something doesn't come to you that pops out, you could just discuss something you found interesting from this semester in social problems class. And then second is you could do a discussion on an aspect of the class that you found interesting or wish we covered more. So again, the prompt is either I used to think, but now I know. So something you learned, or a part of the class that you found interesting and wish we dove a little deeper into. Generally with a survey class, there's a bunch of these things that students often wish we went in a little deeper with. And with these posts, but your initial post will be graded for this. So this will be basically an assignment. But I'm going to provide an extra credit opportunity for you. So you can earn up to 10 points on this. You could read and respond to 5 final paper posts and read and respond up to 5 class responses. And you just will read their post and respond something you took away from what they posted. So if they posted a paper, after you read the paper, discuss what you learned from that paper. So it's not an opportunity to tear anybody down or to say you should have covered this or XYZ. You're just going to discuss what you learned from the experience of reading their paper. And the same goes for this. Once you read their 2 or 3 paragraph post on I used to think, but now I know, or an aspect of the class that I found interesting and wish we covered more, discuss what you gleaned from what they posted. And maybe you could, add to what they say. So if they say, well, I liked XYZ, you could say me too, and I thought it fit into, something else. And so, again, this is just an opportunity to end the class with some kind of cap and ending to the semester. I think it's good to have some kind of closure when you finish out a semester. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. I will check emails every evening through finals week. The finals technically end on Wednesday, and we have grades that we put in the next day or two. So Thursday or Friday, we have to have our grades entered. But go ahead and reach out to me if you have any questions, and have a great winter vacation. And those, if anyone's graduated, congratulations. If not, I hopefully will see you around in other classes. And if you have any questions, always reach out to me. Just because the semester's over, it doesn't mean that I'm through being your teacher. So if you want to discuss social problems or sociology, or you have anything that you want to discuss, go ahead and reach out to me. Thank you so much for all your hard work this semester, and have a great break.